Hello Nitro fans, Racing 393. Very short video today. We're testing out my Nitro running bench. In my shed, I've set up a, well, it sounds fantastic, but it's just a pipe. So I'm running a plastic pipe, which I still need to modify, that goes to the outside of the shed, and the bit on the inside goes onto the exhaust, especially for the nitros. Don't need it for anything else, and it allows me to run and bench tune a nitro in the shed. It isn't that loud either, so somebody was in the garden and I asked them what did it sound like, and it just sounded like someone was drilling inside. It wasn't particularly loud either, so good. So in this video we're going to get the ACME Condor rally car, as it is now. We'll get it fired up. I did a bit of tuning off camera, so it was just a case of getting it set where I needed it, but it didn't take much. I found that this engine actually it takes more fuel to get it running. I don't really want to overdo it with the fuel, so when I was doing it off camera, well, I was filming it, but I'm not going to put it in the video here. It was just me messing around, and I found that it needed more fuel in the motor and the engine for it to fire up. But we get there eventually. And in the video here, I'm just testing it and I'm running it. A few tweaks here and there, just so to show you that I can now run nitros inside the shed without killing myself. There is a slight upgrade needed to the end of the pipe, the rubber tube. It's a plastic tube that comes into the shed. The end, I need to have a rubber solution there because it's not brilliant. But anyway, onwards and upwards. Hope you enjoy this short video. So here we are, just switched it all on. All works. I think the last time I run this was in a video previously. Make sure the glow driver is all done. It sort of pulls straight away. There we go. So it fired up on the first pull. I'll just leave it on there for a bit, and you can hear it running. And I've sort of given it a little bit of a blip here, and you can see I haven't got it on the stand yet. And I'm also trying out. What I will be trying out is the brake. So when you do the brake, the engine doesn't cut. So you can see the tube running from the exhaust to the outlet of the shed, and it looks pretty good. So the brakes work, the engine doesn't cut, it's tuned for now. I think it was about, in the shed nevertheless, 19 degrees, and the humidity was 55%. So with that in mind, I will be checking that, writing it down for future reference and checking the carb settings. And I'm just sort of checking the temperature from starting it up, just to see what it goes up to. I think it's somewhere around, what do they run at? Is it like 200 degrees? Is that the preferred temperature? I can't remember now, I should know, but it gets nowhere near that hot. It had a little bit of a, from memory, I can't hear the video at this point, but it had a bit of a flat spot, I think. So I don't know whether that was the high-end needle. It was the low-end needle which caused me a bit of a problem starting it. I had to adjust all that. But it ticks over. It's not running hot. The car isn't revving its nuts off. As we sort of check the temperature again. I think it goes up to 100, 120. So yeah, I might have to run a fan in the shed to keep the fins cool if I do any sort of tuning again. It's quiet. It doesn't annoy the neighbours. That's the main thing. You can see it sort of revs, it picks up, it's a bit better there, and sort of does the braking. And when you brake, it doesn't just cut the engine, whereas before it was doing that, so it was sort of shutting off the carb too much. But anyway, that's it for now. I do hope you enjoy the video, and I should be back soon, perhaps with another tuning video, or maybe get a running video of this one. I can see it's 122 there. So that's it for now. Nice short video, not even 6-7 minutes long. So please like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you, and bye for now.